Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I want to discuss question 3 of June 2013, C3R. Alright, the most important part that I wanted to discuss on this question is part C, because the earlier two part A and B are quite standard. You see this type of question in your textbook. Alright, so you have done how textbook work, if you have revised enough of textbook work, A and B should not be a problem at all. Part C may be a bit different, but also something you've learned before, except that it's unexpected. Finding equation, or finding the number of solution in an equation. So basically, to start off, what you need to do is, for part C, is to change from this equation to the compound angle form first, and then followed by the next step, which is k over root 50. In fact, you don't really need this step. You just need this equation in a simplified form. This is the most important one. To solve this equation, because you want to find the number of solutions, a sketch of the graph will be good enough. Now, one of the students sketched this graph, and then when she tried to draw a line through it, she finds that it intersects at 2 points, except even the highest point also intersects at 2 points. Except the bottom one intersect at 1 point for one solution. Alright, so she was able to specify the one solution, but could not find the other solution because the other one doesn't make sense. Here it cuts to 2 points. When you draw a horizontal line, it touches 2 of the highest point here. So the basic problem was her graph was actually wrong. She should have sketched this graph. This particular one, y equals the one on the left hand side. You can ignore this if you want to. You can just sketch this one, is good enough. So to sketch this graph, it's basically a cost graph that looks something like that, but it has been shifted to the right by 8.13 degrees. So if you were to sketch the graph, it will look like this. Let me sketch on the right side. So imagine if we shift it, it's going to go up the highest point, it's going to move down to the lowest point, and then come up to here. This point should be in alignment with this point. So we know here is 0 to 360. So once you sketch the correct graph, highest point is 1, lowest point is minus 1. So once you sketch the correct graph, then you notice that for one solution, it appears here. Okay, it appears here. One solution for this cost graph. That means for this to have one solution, or for this equation to have one solution, the highest point must be here, or the solution must be at the highest point, 2 points here. So in other words, k over root 50 must be equals to plus minus 1. So k is equals to plus minus square root 50. Simplifying it further, square root 50 is actually 5 root 2. There you are. So those are the two values required for the equation to have one solution. Alright. So one solution, so you want to equate this to this value. So this value can only happen here. So this actually at the y value here. It can only happen here, at the highest point here, or at the highest point here. That means the k over root 50 can only take this value or this value. So this is how we obtain the answer. Alright, that's all. Thank you. Bye.